Good morning students. In last video we discussed about the natural resources and the basic description of the natural resources. Today we discuss about the types of the natural resources and the classification of the natural resources on the basis of chemical nature, distribution and availability. The first type of natural resources on the basis of their chemical nature. On the basis of chemical nature, the natural resources are mainly of three types. First, inorganic resources. Inorganic resources. Inorganic resources are those resources in which mainly carbon or oxygen element is present, either carbon or hydrogen element present, or oxygen or hydrogen element are present. The resources in which three components, three elements, carbon, oxygen and hydrogen are not coming together. Not coming together. Not coming together. The elements of the resources in which carbon, oxygen and hydrogen are not combined together, they represent the inorganic sources. Inorganic sources mainly include physical factors. These resources mainly include physical factors like air, water and any metallic mineral. Any metallic mineral represent inorganic resource. The second resource type of resource is organic resource. Organic resources. Organic resources are those resources which mainly form organic matter or made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen element. The elements in which both carbon, hydrogen as well as oxygen combine together, they represent the organic resources. It mainly include biotic components. It mainly include biotic components. Example देखिए. Example of organic resources may be plants, animals, microorganisms and fossil fuels. These are known as organic resources, which mainly chemically made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen element. Third type of the resource on the basis of chemical nature is mixed resources. Mixed resources, these are those resources which have both organic as well as inorganic resources. Inorganic resources are known as mixed resources. Example, mixed resources mainly include soil. Soil is an example of mixed resource because in soil both inorganic as well as organic components are present. Inorganic components like mineral ions and organic mainly includes microorganisms living in the soil. The microorganisms which are living in the soil acts as organic resource. These are the three types of natural resources on the basis of chemical nature. Second, the type of natural resources on the basis of abundance and their availability in the nature. On the basis of their availability, and abundance, the resources are of two types. Resources are of two types. First is inexhaustible natural resource. Inexhaustible natural resource. And the second, adjustable natural resources. Adjustable natural resources. Now see what means inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources क्या होता है? Inexhaustible natural resources are the resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature are known as inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources. And second, these resources cannot be exhausted by human use or by human activity. The resources which are unlimited in quantity and cannot be exhausted by human represent the inexhaustible natural resources. For example, देखिए solar energy, air and water represent the inexhaustible natural resources. Second, exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are the resources which are present in limited amount or quantity in nature and easily can be exhausted by regular human activity. These resources are those resources which are present in limited amount, in limited stock, in limited quantity, and can be exhausted if regularly used by a human. Can be finished if regularly used by a human. These resources are further of two types. Exhaustible natural resources are further of two types on the basis of their property, of recycling or renewable capacity. Can be renewed or not renewed. On the behalf of this property, exhaustible natural resources are further of two types. First, renewable natural resources. The renewable natural resources are those exhaustible natural resources which can be renewed by human or replaced or recycled and used again and again, but if these resources are not used in a managed and sustainable way. Managed and sustainable way, then these can be lost or finished. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, लाइक वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, forest, water. These are adjustable renewable resources. They also include crops and domestic animals also. These are those resources which can be used again and again if managed properly in a sustainable way. These are the resources which can be recycled. Now second type are non-renewable resources. Non-renewable natural resources are those adjustable natural resources which once used are lost forever, or because they are not restored. These are those adjustable natural resources which once used are lost because they cannot be restored. These are not restored. Example, the non-renewable resources mainly include fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, diesel, natural gas. The fossil fuels are non-renewable natural resources because they cannot be renewed easily, because the formation of fossil fuels is a long process, and other metallic minerals which are present in the earth crust are also non-renewable natural resources. In next video we discuss about the types of natural resources on the basis of their distribution. Okay, thank you.